Okay guys, so let's listen here. Did you guys hear that? Let's go ahead and fix that noise. Ooh, I think we have to go clean this first before we can start work on it. Maybe just vacuum it. It's gonna be a lot faster. Alright, to remove this, pick this up and press this in. There you go. Alright guys, so this is the two I suspected. Let's go ahead and tight this. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. First one is tight. Second one. There we go. Okay. All right, so before we put everything, let's go ahead and verify it first. Okay, here we go. Hey, it's fixed. Maybe clean this really quick. All right. Woo! All right, let's put this back. There we go. Oops. No, that one's supposed to be like that. Yeah. There you go. Don't forget the hose. Okay. This one's a little bit challenging to put in. Oh, come on, dude. Seriously? There we go. So line this up. Put this one in. There we go. Make sure it's all lined up. Just snug them. By the way, this is 14mm. So let's go ahead and try it one more time. Yep. No more noise. Woohoo! And let's go ahead and turn on our wiper blade. Make sure they're not binding or making any noise. Sweet. We're all set, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.